Hi guys, today I'll be showing you how to add your VC face, the one I'm actually showing you right now, into OBS Studio. In the last video I showed you what you should do before. You literally just click on that button and it will go into this transparent background. So after this, you're probably wondering what we should do. Now, I'm not going to be using my actual VTuber for this, so I'm going to be using my tutorial VTuber, because this is a tutorial, and yeah, I don't know how to explain it, but whatever. So, I'm going to go with my tutorial VTuber. So as we know that we're going to go open VC Face. If you don't know how to download VC Face, be sure to check out my last video so that it will be easy for you to understand how to download this. Then obviously we click on start, and then we just wait for a while, and then start moving, and things should be working properly. And so the thing you need to do is, yes, you click on this one, and then you go to OBS Studio. This is my OBS Studio. And basically, we want to go to sources and add a new game capture. We want to click on this. And then we want to create new. So I'll do this for tutorial. Okay. Make a new, and then capture full screen application. You want to change it to capture a specific window. You choose it to, which window is this? I'll close. Oh yeah, it's VC Face. To the window, yes. And now as you can see, we have our VC Face in OBS Studio, but this is not complete yet. Now we want to click Allow Transparency. And as you can see, your VC Face has it's transparent now. And then what we want to do is click OK. Now I just delete this one because I'm doing a tutorial and it's much easier this way, like this. And then basically